What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy Compound on Coinbase. As you can see, I'm already logged into my Coinbase account. After that, we have one option, and that is the buy and sell option. Click on it and this buying overview will be opened. So the one-time purchase is already selected and you have different options like the buying frequency. There is a daily option, weekly, twice a month, or a monthly option. After that, you can fill in the amount of fiat or euros, dollars, which you would like to use for this purchase. I'm using 2 euros. You can select the asset and we will fill in comp. As you can see, there is the Compound Token. Click on it. After that, we can select the payment wallet. We would like to use our Euro wallet, but if you live in another country or region, then click on it and select the right wallet for you. If there is no option, then you have first to verify your account or have to add the payment method by clicking this button below. After that, you can select the wallet you would like to use and head back to the overview and click on review order. Now Coinbase will show us some information about the purchase we are going to make. As you can see, I'm buying 0.02 coins and €1.01 is purchased for this order. The Coinbase fee is quite high, it's 99 euro cents, and the total amount we are spending on this order is 2 euros as we have filled in this previous overview. Excuse me. So for the invest weekly option, you have the option to buy these amounts every week at the same moment on this coin, and you can cancel it at any time, no worries. If you want to buy these coins, click on buy now and they will be added directly to your Coinbase wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.